Greetings. I am Tom Schreier, and I have the privilege of being the founding director of the Inspired Leadership Initiative at the University of Notre Dame. It is our program for those people who have completed their chosen career and now look to return to campus for an academic year to discover, discern, and design their next act. I want to sincerely thank you for participating in our inaugural Inspiring Conversations speaker series, where we will spend this fall semester discussing leading people in an ever-changing world. This series is bringing leaders from a broad spectrum of disciplines, addressing their approach to leading people in this dynamic and evolving world. As we know, change is not a new challenge for leaders, but it is one that is brought into an even more acute focus today as leaders are faced with the multifaceted effects of the COVID-19 pandemic and a renewed awareness of the need to address racial injustice in their organizations and communities. We will not only address leadership, but also the underlying and animating philosophies of these leaders, spanning purpose, alignment, spirituality, mission, and beyond. Our first guest is Dr. Penny Wheeler, the President and Chief Executive Officer of Allina Health. She is a truly mission-driven leader who has authentically taken to heart serving the community. She has been surrounded by Allina from her birth at its flagship hospital, through her years as a clinician, and now as its CEO and president. She leads with compassion and humanity to foster an organization that is an authentic force for the betterment of each individual that walks through its doors or is part of its broader community. I especially look forward to this conversation as I also have the privilege of serving as the chair of Allina's board of directors. Together, we will explore how to ensure that this Minneapolis-based health system ensures it can meet its mission today and into the future. This promises to be a powerful discussion given the challenges posed by the very dynamic industry environment, the impact of COVID-19 on healthcare in general, and Allina specifically, and the need to ensure that Allina and healthcare systems maintain their focus on the need for racial equity, as was brought to global light by the killing of George Floyd literally in Allina's own backyard. Welcome again to Inspired Conversations. We look forward to engaging with you and hope that this series will evidence that there are indeed quality people who lead important organizations and ministries, who can serve as a model to those who wish to develop their own leadership qualities for their circles of influence.